What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Kith and Ronnie Fieg collaboration with Asics on the Gel-Lyte 3 on the 252.1 colorway. I know this is a very long overdue review, but I recently just picked this up for just over retail. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold & Black. Rose Gold & Black is an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and right now, for my viewers only, just in time for their September sale, through that link down below, you'll be able to get 25% off your entire purchase. In addition, you guys can stack and use the code MYSTERY at checkout to get an additional 15% off on top as well. And most recently, Rose Gold & Black has introduced their mystery boxes, where customers get 2 exclusive products shipped directly to their door every month. And I want to stress, these products are not available on the website. They're exclusive only to the mystery boxes, so don't sleep. Be sure to check them out. It's a very easy way to spice up your outfit. Links are down below. This pair released alongside 2 other colorways, one of which, the Yoshino Rose, I actually reviewed a few weeks back, but the 3 pairs were part of the Kith collaboration with Asics on the Tokyo Trio collection. So all 3 pairs dropped on July 27th for $180 US, and for this pair specifically, the official colorway is black and gold. Nicknamed the 252 or 252.1, this is essentially a sequel to the first ever Asics collaboration that Ronnie Fieg worked with. Back in 2007, when he was still working with New York City boutique David Z, they released the 252 collab with Asics, which was a trio of Asics models that were limited to only 252 pairs each. So this is basically a callback to his roots by reinventing and reworking his first ever collab with Asics. So before we go on any further, here's a quick look at the box. So this comes in a special edition box. It's done in black cardboard with this blue lettering, and on the top you have Ronnie Fieg and Asics co-branding. As for the shoes, so this is your classic Gel-Lyte 3 silhouette. Jumping straight into the toe box, kicking things off, here we have this red colored suede, and we have these perforations found throughout the entire toe box. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this overlay of this pink colored suede, along with these 2 cutouts on the lateral side, exposing the black nubuck underneath. Moving further down, the entire back end of the shoe is entirely constructed out of this black colored nubuck. But you see on the mid panel of both the lateral and medial side, we have the signature Asics stripes, and this is constructed out of this gold colored leather. Towards the back heel, we have this Gel-Lyte 3 branding, which is debossed on the lateral side. And then turning the shoe over to the back, here we have Asics and gel branding debossed in the center. Surrounding the back heel, we have this black colored TPU heel clip, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. So the standard laces that these come with is a flat black style lace, but they do give you 3 extra lace options. So there's a black rope style lace, a red rope style lace, and a blue one as well. For me, I personally prefer the look of the red laces, but I personally think all 3 of the rope style laces look just as good. Underneath the laces, we have your signature split tongue, and this, similar to the rest of the upper, is also constructed out of black nubuck. On the lateral side of the tongue, here you'll find Ronnie Fieg's last name debossed on top. Taking out the insoles, these come with custom branded insoles, Asics on the left foot and Fieg on the right foot, which is done in this pink or salmon colored lettering. So the upper of these Gel-Lyte 3s sits atop this black colored midsole, and encased within this midsole but not visible to the eye, these come with Asics gel technology for comfort and cushioning. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Gel-Lyte 3 outsole. And in this case, this is primarily done in red colored rubber on the back heel, but the forefoot is done in a combination of black and blue rubber. This is finished off with Asics branding right in the center. So that covers the look and the feel of this shoe. In terms of how they fit, generally speaking, I'd say that they fit true to size. Unless you have really wide feet, then you might want to consider going up a half size. But for these guys, I'd say only go up a half size if you have really wide feet or if you for some reason like a really loose fit. Next up, in terms of comfort, I find the Gel-Lyte 3 is actually a very comfortable sneaker. Though it's just meant for casual use, the gel cushioning is actually very soft and it gives you a ton of step-in comfort straight out of the box. So for me, I can wear these for a long time with no issues, and they feel very plush and very good on feet. Last but not least, quickly touch upon the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair. The quality, I gotta say, was actually very good. Both the suedes and the nubuck felt very high quality and very premium, and the only issue I had from a craftsmanship standpoint was on the back heel. It looked like the nubuck was a little bit scuffed, but aside from that, it was a very solidly well-built shoe and one that I'm very happy with. So with all that being said, now let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Of the 3 pairs in the Tokyo Trio pack, this one is definitely the one that seemed to be the most popular, and just basing it off of resale prices, this one is fetching the most. However, for me, my personal favorite is still the Yoshino Rose, but that doesn't change the fact that this still is a very well executed and very clean colorway. I just personally prefer white sneakers over black sneakers, and whereas the Yoshino Rose looks a bit better with shorts, I feel like this one will look very nice with jeans and darker pants. So that's good for me because summer is coming to a close. Things are getting pretty chilly here in Toronto, so I'm definitely looking forward to rocking these in the fall. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Kith Asics Gel-Lyte 3 in the 252.1 colorway. Of the 3 pairs in this collection, how do you rank this one compared to the other 2? And is this a shoe that you guys would rock or not? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.